We are playing a new game called Killing Your Keycaps. I found this game on Roblox. So today we're gonna play this game. This game's a very good game. It's a very good game. That's what I'm playing right now. I also changed my skin to Ratu. What? Okay, so this soap is empty. Let's rebuy our first of 3,000 pounds. We need 3 more keycaps. Buy more luck, guys. Daily basics. Ooh, mint soap. Okay, we'll take it. Yeah. Okay, we're using mint soap, guys. It's cool, right? Luck Ooh, grass soap? I need another. I need sponge. Circle sponge. It's okay. Let's buy one. We're gonna play this game for like, I don't know how much time. Letters, guys? Okay. We finally unlocked the circle sponge. We're gonna roll. A basic soap? Nah, no way. $62 per second. What's this 5 times? Ooh, 5 times. Mirrors? Oh, 1 in 2,000. Oh, we cannot do that. Okay, anyways, let's roll. No, not mint soap. Camel soap? Whoa! What is that? Camel soap. We need the watermelon soap. Maybe we're gonna. Or let's use. Maybe 1.2. Oh, we can buy our first worker? You don't have enough, yo. Sir. Move, please. Oh, man, I'm not spending, yo. Stop. 4.5K. What about upgrades? Soup. Coming. We're almost out of all soap, so we only like Place more keycaps. Oh, we need to we just ran out of circles. What's that? It looks more alive or something. That one is shiny.
The video is too long. Nobody gonna watch all of it. At least 15 minutes. Have a more video.
Oh no, 1 hour, the video got like 15. You should dunk in here, right? Oh, yeah. It's time to expand, guys. I just thought it's time to hire a new one.
Yeah.
What?
What do you
Level 0. This game gonna have an anime boost. And like you know what the rule is? Let's see. Oh yeah, that. Oh my word, bro.
تو چه؟ همه سوال میکنی یا بپشین بخور دیگه غذا حاضره یکی بپز یکی بشونه از یک سوال کن چی داره میپزه؟ چی داره میپزه؟ بشین غذا تو بخور دانده کسی بخور و بشین کفتر چیزی برنج و بشین سبا برداشو بخور آب روشم با سر ریختم پیازم بخوام ترشی بریزم
Oh my god. Nah. Finally. This is epic. Look at this wood. Yeah.
Good job, Samuel. Yeah, exactly. شش تا دو من خریده بودم یه دونه‌ش هم نبود من نبودم یه خونه نبودم بود کشیف کرد زمین بزنمشون برم اینجا برو گنگ بشیدن آره گوشن چکار کردن
Why don't you work for months but I'm at work every day?
I worked not for months, and now I don't work for 6 months. My hand. See surgery? Yeah. And I have to do this now.
You're lucky because you don't go.
From 1st of September, I'm back to work. Because you have no school, I take off for you. To take care of you. Your mom always in America. I don't know what you do.
I'm not Amir.
Huh?
I'm not Amir.
Amu is not your father. Go right now.
Yeah, but Amu is Amu. Amu is my Amu. Okay.
Amu, your Amu is not responsible for you. Oh, go for it. مهدی تلفن رو هم بخوره یکی چیزی رنگ بعد آقا بشوره بپزه بریخه بیاره من خوابم آقا بمونم خدای بمونم اولا برم تو میای در کمکم کنی نه نخود فقط نمیش کن تو بچه رو ترسونی تو جیش کرده آره این ترسونده تو جیش کردی؟ ترسونده جیش کن تو چیزش تو کلش
I can empty my pants. Because I forgot to pee during night.
حالا این همه میخوری برو پی کن دیگه
But I slept. I slept.
دوستش
It's normal. We need this one, though.
خداییش کسخور خونه خودتون معرفی کنم میرم الان 20 ساعت تا اینجا فاصله شه با ماشین بیا نگی ها آب بیارم
Oh my goodness, Play for a minute, they'll have their first ever album. And this is the first time playing. No, AFK. I thought I was AFK. I was thinking about not use. What is gonna end when we get to rebirth? Maybe about animals or maybe I will just go. But maybe I'll go ice. After this rebirth video is gonna end. Don't know. I'm gonna tell you the name. It's in your keycaps. Oh, okay. We're just gonna end after we finish everything here, okay? Let's change our soap, why not? Basic soap? Problem soap? No. Oh, poison soap? Oh, yes, why not? I don't know why this is called poison soap. Bruh. This is poison soap too, bro. What is this? I have a message before I go. First, please like and subscribe. Okay. I love y'all that you supported me throughout the months of hard work. Yeah. You guys should also subscribe because we're just 2 subscribers away from 100. Okay, please. I just want to show you something. Okay, and then you guys have to watch one of my new videos that I made that I made 2 days ago or 1 day ago. So playing capybaras versus plants part 2. You should watch this. And playing Animal Hospital part 1. You should also watch these because two of these videos were long. And I don't know what happened to the thumbnail here. What's up, guys? Today we're recording. Okay, so and then here, which I did with my friend Aiden. Both of these videos were with my friend Aiden. Okay, so please, and like, yes, here's 90. I'm just 2 subscribers away. Okay, so bye, guys.